In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter multiple trades in MT4. Now there's two ways to do this. The first one is using the order window. So if you do this here, you'll have to just reopen the order window every single time. You can go ahead and set your volume, the stop loss, and the take profit, and of course all the other things. And then you can go and either buy or sell depending on what you want to do. And then the quickest way would be to just press F9 again. And then over here you can just set the new volume you want and then go buy or sell, press F9 on your keyboard again to open the order window, and that way you can quickly perform your orders, okay? And you can essentially kind of enter multiple trades very quickly. The second way would be to use one-click trading, so that's going to work as well. You can go to top left of your chart, click on the arrow down, and that's going to show you this quick trading, okay? So it's one-click trading. You have to enable it first before you can use it though. So you want to go to tools and then options, and then here inside a trade you can enable one-click trading. You're going to have to confirm a few things and then click on OK. And just like this, you can see I can now just set the volume up top over here and then click buy or sell, and that way I'm actually opening up multiple trades very quickly. So that's how you can do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.